Hi everybody, today I want to show you how easy we make these wood toys just using a 16-inch scroll saw and wood. The first step was drawing different shapes on the wood, and later on we just start cutting it with the scroll saw. This was very simple. After cutting the shape, the last step was sanding down the edges just to remove any sharp parts, and that's it. We didn't put any type of paint or anything like that because our kid is going to be playing with it, and of course we don't want any type of harsh chemicals, so that's why they look so simple and pretty much all natural. By the way, we make 5 different shapes and it took us just 3 hours to complete them. As well, we used 2 different type of woods. One was very thick and the other one was thinner. They are extremely easy to make and they look amazing. Later on we will be doing other interactive toys, but for now that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!